Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing something with you that is delightful and elegant yet screams simplicity. This is beef tenderloin gorgonzola crostini. Oh my gosh, you guys, you are going to love this. This is a special treat. We are talking juicy tender beef, creamy gorgonzola cheese, and crispy crostini. This is perfect, you guys. It's a perfect appetizer, or you could do it as an entree, and it's sure to impress your guests. And I am so looking forward to showing you how to do it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, let's address our crostini. Crostini is Italian for little toast. And to accomplish this, we're going to take a French baguette and thinly slice it, and that will act as kind of our base for these beauties. Next, we're going to turn our attention to our beef tenderloin. So we're just going to have about a pound of beef tenderloin. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. All right, we got our tenderloin all seasoned. Now we're just going to quickly sear it on all sides. Now we have transferred our tenderloin to a sheet pan. We're going to throw it in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and let it finish cooking. All right, next we're going to drizzle some olive oil over our baguettes. Okay, once we've brushed our olive oil over our baguettes, we're going to throw that in the oven and let that toast up until nice and crispy. All right, tenderloin has finished cooking in the oven. We have let it rest for about 10 minutes. So now we're just going to slice into it. All right, how can we make this even better? I think we can do a balsamic glaze to go with it. I did this on a burger once, and I figure it'll be perfect for these crostini. So it's super simple. I'm just going to take a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're just going to bring that to a simmer. Okay, let's get to assembling. So we have our toasted crostini. Let's add a layer of our steak. Next, we're going to go down with a layer of our gorgonzola. And finally, we're just going to spoon on our balsamic glaze. And there we have our beef tenderloin crostinis with gorgonzola and topped with a balsamic glaze. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I will see you all next time.